Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question in the parenthesis 72 divided by 6 plus. Now in the second parenthesis 10 minus 4 multiply 2. Okay. So is equal to. Now before solving this question, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video and comment your answer step by step. Okay. Because I am personally giving a score every comment from out of 10. Okay. So now let's see who can get a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video and comment your answer. I will give you personal score from out of 10. Okay, and then you can play this video to see the correct answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one parenthesis, one addition, then we have second parenthesis, so we have two parentheses, one addition and one multiplication. Okay. So first priority is parenthesis. So this parenthesis and this parenthesis both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So now 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12 plus in the parenthesis 10 minus 4 multiply 2. Now we have to solve this second parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 12 plus now 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 multiply 2. Now here is one addition and one multiplication. Both have left. Okay, both are left. So first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve addition. So 12 plus now 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So 24 is the correct answer. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.